हैव यू एवर वांटेड टू डू समथिंग, जैसे कोई वीडियो पोस्ट करनी हो या किसी ग्रुप में अपना ओपिनियन रखना, और मे बी वेयर अ सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ आउटफिट, बट देन सडनली दिस वॉइस इनसाइड योर हेड सेज, लोग क्या कहेंगे? व्हाट इफ दे लाफ एट मी? व्हाट इफ दे थिंक आई एम वियर्ड? व्हाट इफ आई मेस अप? या आई हैव बीन देयर मेनी टाइम्स, और हर बार ये डर कि लोग क्या कहेंगे और क्या सोचेंगे मुझे उन सारी चीजों को करने से रोकता रहा जो मैं एक्चुअली करना चाहती थी. So if you've ever stayed silent just to be accepted, then this video is your sign to break that silence. In today's episode of the Better Me Talks, I want to talk about something that controls most of us, sometimes without us even realizing it. And that's the fear of judgment. And trust me, you'll never feel free until you stop letting this fear control you. So let's talk about it. First of all, what fear of judgment looks like and why we feel it. Listen, fear of judgment is not just about being shy. It's that feeling that makes us hide our real self. Like when you wanted to post something but you did not post that because you are scared that someone will make fun of it. और जब आपकी क्लास में टीचर आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन करे, even though you knew the answer, but you stayed silent. Or maybe you want to wear something different, but you stopped because लोग क्या कहेंगे? What will people think? Now the question is, where does this fear comes from? Well, most of the time, it comes from our past experiences. Maybe we were laughed at once, or compared, or told to act normal. So now we try to play safe, we try to fit in just to be liked. But let me tell you, you were not born to fit in. You were born to see. Now the scary part is how this fear control our lives. क्यों ना जब हम दूसरों के ओपिनियंस को बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देने लगते हैं या बहुत ज्यादा सोचने लगते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने चॉइसेस और डिसीजंस भी खुद के लिए ना लेकर उनके लिए लेने लग जाते हैं. Like we stay quiet when we want to speak. We follow paths we don't like just to avoid criticism. We start to hide our dreams, our voice, our truth. Think about it. How many times you stopped yourself just because you were scared of what someone else might say? But do you want to hear a truth? If your dreams scare people, good. That means they are bigger than their opinions. So the more we let this fear control us, the more we lose who we really are. And let me tell you something funny. Most people are not even thinking about you that much. Yeah, you heard me right. Okay, so here's something that really changed my life. People are too busy thinking about themselves. Trust me, that's actually true. We think everyone is watching us, judging us, noticing our every move. But the truth is, most people are just thinking about their own life and their own problems. And even if someone judges you for a moment, then forget it by the next hour. So it's not about you, it's about them. And you know what? You are not living under a spotlight. You are living in a world full of people who barely notice the light you are hiding. So why waste your life trying to impress people who won't even remember that moment? Now the most important part is how to let go of this fear. Well, ये डरना ऐसे रातों रात नहीं जाने वाला. You have to take some small steps. For example, say what you really feel in a small conversation. Sometimes we hide our true thoughts or feelings just to avoid what others might think. For example, when your friend asks you, "Did you enjoy that movie?" and you say yes, even though you did not. Why? Because you don't want to sound different. That's why you said yes. So from now on, try to say your real opinion. Like, actually, it was a little boring for me. That's a small way to be honest and confident. And here's a reminder, you are not being rude here. You are just being the real you. Another example is, post that video you've been overthinking for days. I know we often create something, maybe a reel, a video, a picture, but we don't post it because we think, what if people don't like it? What if they laugh at me? And this fear keeps us stuck forever in this loop. So tell yourself, let's just post it once. It's okay if it's not perfect because you don't have to be a star on the first try, right? The goal is to stop waiting and just start. And the last example I want to give you is try something new even if it scares you. Let's be honest here. हम सबके पास कोई एक ऐसी चीज तो जरूर होती है जो हम करना तो चाहते हैं बट इस जजमेंट के डर से शायद कभी कर नहीं पाते. This could be anything, like maybe speaking in front of people, joining a dance class, raising your hand in class, or even making a YouTube video. We always wait and wait, thinking we'll try when we are confident. But the truth is, you become confident only after you try. So pick one small thing that scares you a little but also excites you. And just try it once, even if your voice shakes, even if you are nervous, because that's how you grow. You can also check those old videos on my channel, and trust me, at that time I had no idea how to speak in front of camera confidently. But I did it anyways because I knew कि अगर मैं इसे अब नहीं कर पाई तो शायद मैं इसे कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And slowly, that's how I became confident. And to be honest, now I really love talking to camera. Because courage is not loud. Sometimes it's just doing the things while your hands are still shaking. And every time you do something you were once scared to do, your confidence grows. And remember that voice inside you कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? That becomes quieter and quieter. And the last thing I want to say to you is, you can't make everyone happy. You were not born to be perfect in everyone's eyes. You were just born to live, to express, to feel free. Ask yourself, when I'm 80 years old, will I care about what people thought of me in school? Or on Instagram? Or in that one awkward moment? No. What you will care about is whether you live your life on your terms or not. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs the real you, the unfiltered, unafraid, and alive. So the next time when fear of judgment tries to control you, take a breath and remind yourself that you only get one life and it's yours. Be weird, be bold, be real, and let the world adjust to your light. So this was episode 4 of the Better Me Talks. If this video helped you a little, share it with someone who needs this message and drop your reviews in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe for the further episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving because I know you can.